Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You're starting in Settings, go straight to Accessibility so you don't waste time. Once there, find Text-to-Speech Output or the TTS Engine option. This is where speech rate lives. If you see System Accessibility, tap it. Otherwise, search for Text-to-Speech. Make sure the preferred engine is selected first, because some phones hide the speech rate inside engine settings. Now that you've opened the right panel, you're ready to change the rate. You'll see a speech rate slider. Drag it slowly to set your preferred pace. For normal pace, use 1. 0, choose 0. 5 if you want it noticeably slower, or 1. 5 plus for faster playback. Once you move the slider, press the play or listen to sample button to confirm the speed. This helps you calibrate without leaving the screen. If the engine has a separate voice or language option, make sure those match. Because different voices, once you've set the slider, back out, or tap save, many Android builds apply changes immediately. Test the new rate with the preview button or open an app that uses TTS to confirm. If the speech rate didn't change, make sure the correct engine is enabled. Then clear the app cache for the TTS engine, check for updates in Play Store, and reboot the phone. If that fails, switch engines temporarily to isolate whether the engine or system settings are causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.